What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Half a day. My name is Ken, aka American Dad. And for those of you who are new to the channel, half a day is from the Chamorro language from the island of Guam, and it means hello. So welcome and half a day. Now in today's video, we're going to discuss my 2019 Ford Raptor. But it's not just any Raptor. It's a PAXPOWER 550 high performance Ford Raptor. Now there are a bunch of things that make this Raptor special. But besides the Captain America logo, one of the things that everybody notices is the PAXPOWER logo here on the bottom of the driver's side door and on the passenger side door. So what exactly is PAXPOWER? So for those of you who don't know, PAXPOWER is a company that actually manufactures V8 powered supercharged Ford Raptors. They take F150s, Platinums, King Ranches, and XLTs that are already V8 engines. They supercharge them and they do complete body modifications, suspension modifications, and they make those Ford F150s into V8 powered Raptors. Now these Raptors, for those of you who are excited about the Dodge TRXs, these Raptors actually make over 750 horsepower. Now, this is not one of those. This is what started off as a standard Ford F-150 twin turbocharged V6 Raptor. So let's discuss some of the modifications and some of the things that we did to make this a PAXPOWER 550. So what's at the heart of the PAX 550? Well, to start off with, you get the Raptor 3.5 liter Ecoboost Stage 1 kit by Whipple. Everybody knows that Whipple is synonymous with high performance. And along with high performance, we all know the importance of cooling. And this kit comes with a massive intercooler. It generates about 54% more volume and close to 10% more surface area for better cooling, better spark plug performance, and more O2. Additionally, you get a high flow cold air intake. Also, you see it there with the badging. And then probably most importantly, what you get is the Whipple tune. So what's awesome about the Whipple tune is that Whipple and their engineers have such a close relationship with Ford that they're able to fully capture all the potential associated with these F-150 3.5 liter twin turbo V6s. Now to top things off, PAXPOWER also installed the MagnaFlow Raptor Street Series Catback Performance Exhaust System. Now what this does is it gives you 3 inches of tubing diameter that exits here into these 5-inch aggressive black exhaust tips. Definitely helping the Raptor to breathe better and to perform better. All right, guys, so here are the final numbers for this PAXPOWER 550. If you haven't figured it out already, the 550 means 550 horsepower. So you got that right. When you combine the Whipple Stage 1 3.5 liter Ecoboost Raptor kit along with the high performance MagnaFlow Street Series Catback exhaust system, this bad boy gains an additional 100 plus horsepower, and it's pushing well over 600 pound-feet of torque. Now, if you're interested in anything else having to do with PAXPOWER, and if you have a second generation Raptor, a V6 Raptor, and you want to push that Raptor and get it in the high performance numbers where you're making 4.1 seconds, 4.5 seconds in 0 to 60, reach out to those guys. I'll leave a link in the description for their website as well as contact information to get a hold of those guys over at PAXPOWER. Well guys, that wraps up this video for the day. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Would love it if you would subscribe. I wish absolutely nothing but the best for you and for your family. God bless you. God bless the United States of America. My name is Ken, aka American Dad.